Hey guys, and welcome to the DIY Fixes channel where we learn a lot on how to fix stuff the DIY way, like professionals. And today we're going to unbox and review this Shure Legendary Performance WL183 professional dynamic microphone, which has a 49 channel ultra high frequency capability. So the box itself feels lightweight. It actually weighs around uh, a total of 183 grams. Feels lightweight enough. However, it actually feels strong. So the box itself has sufficient branding in terms of if you were to walk in a shop and actually see it, you could know what it is. It has a good branding, a good lettering. The product itself is displayed right here. On the other side, all sides are actually equally branded, and this side actually provides a sufficient product features, so you actually know what you are buying out of the shop before you actually buy it. Some boxes come actually, they are not branded, you don't know what is inside, and that, I think that's not a good professional marketing. So the box feels good, well built, and well branded. So opening the box to reveal the contents inside. Inside is the microphone itself, which I'm going to place aside, a, the wireless receiver, a dual USB to USB charger, and an extra microphone padding, as well as a 6.35 millimeter jack. And lastly is this operational instructions for the WL183. That's it from out of the box. So let us look at the microphone itself. The microphone is actually quite heavy. I think in terms of weight, it actually weighs around 42 grams. Whereas you'd actually expect a wireless headset like this to be lightweight, you have to realize that this part is actually metallic, and the electronics housing here is also pretty heavy. However, when you actually weigh it on your head, you actually don't feel the weight to it. So uh, this microphone padding feels nice. It has a nice build to it. It's actually made of cotton, I think, or a blanket. I think it's blanketed material. So it actually feels good. It helps protect the microphone itself from a gust of wind that interferes with the sound quality. So the microphone itself has a wire meshing, ensuring that audio capture is to the perfect of what you expect. Underneath the microphone are openings that ensures bidirectional audio capture. And the microphone is actually joined to the electronics housing via this malleable, flexible cable that actually cannot snap. It can't snap, but allows you to adjust the microphone in reference to your mouth when using it. The electronics housing actually feels nice, uh, nicely built with a shiny finish, glossy finish on the surface. It's actually made of plastic, but you can actually feel that it's very well, perfectly built. The other side is a branding. You can actually see this is the WL183 professional microphone brand. Underneath that is the a soft padding that protects your ear or your head side from repetitive injury as a result of wearing the microphone for extended durations of time. The electronics housing is held in place by four screws, which you can unscrew. On the upper side is a micro USB charger that allows you to recharge this microphone. So being wireless, it's not connected in any way to power output or in any other audio output functionality. So it actually has a good battery lifetime. Um, and when the battery dies, I think it charges pretty quickly. I think a duration of 20 minutes, the battery becomes fully charged and can continuously run for around 2 to 3 hours. So giving you that professional performance that you desire. So on the upper side is a power button right here, and the volume up and volume down button, which also doubles as a channel selector button. So powering it on gives you access to this. I think it's an LED display that displays to you the volume setting. You can adjust the volume as well as the channel setting. You can set channel. So this, how this works is that if you have a multiple of such professional microphones connected to your mixer, you can select the right channel, select different channels for each microphone to avoid interference. And then there's an LED blue indicator which shows you the whether it is connected to the receiver and if it is correctly powered on and charged. So in addition to that, there is this springy uh, metallic strip that allows you to strategically position the microphone on your head. The metallic rod is actually springy, allowing you to position the microphone correctly over your head, and it actually holds in place um, without slipping or without needing you to constantly adjust the position of the microphone so as to facilitate good audio capture. So the other side has a soft rubber padding that protects you from repetitive strain injuries as a result of putting on the microphone for extended durations of time. The metallic rod is also housed in a rubber casing that feels nicely built. So in overall, the microphone has a good build quality to it. So the microphone also comes with this microphone receiver, which is equally branded with the Shure brand with an on-off button. The upper surface has a good build quality that it has a shiny finish. Beneath that, I think there is not much detail to it other than this side has a DC 5 volt charging micro USB power input that allows you to plug it in to your computer or mobile phone adapter for charging. It is equally wireless, so once you finish with charging, I think 20 to 30 minutes of charging time, you'll have it fully charged. So the upper side is this 3.5 millimeter jack, audio only output jack that allows you to plug it in on any device that allows 3.5 millimeter audio jack, such as a mobile phone, your computer, or any other standard audio device. Once you put it on, it has a LED light that lights in blue color. So when you put it on, actually, it automatically pairs with this the, the microphone receiver automatically. So supposing you have it off, you can see the LED indicator starts blinking as an indication that the receiver is not receiving or audio input from any microphone. So that's a good build quality that ensures that you actually know when your microphone is correctly configured for audio capture. So besides that, there is this extra microphone padding that is a good, well built also. And most importantly is this 6.35 audio input adapter. This side is 6.35 millimeter jack that plugs in to any audio device such as a mixer or any other audio box that allows audio input. The other side is a 3.5 millimeter adapter that plugs in to this 3.5 millimeter jack. So when you plug it in, it has a nice click feeling to it, indicating that now it is correctly paired. So you can pair it with your computer, or you can pair it with your mixer, allowing you to facilitate good audio capture. And lastly is this dual USB charger that allows you to plug it in on any device to charge either the microphone or the wireless receiver. So when you plug it in and connect it for charging, it indicates a red, constant red LED light indicating that the device is charging. So when it's fully charged in around 20 to 30 minutes, this red indicator turns blue, indicating that it's fully charged, and automatically stops the charging process. So you cannot be worried about overcharging the device. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned. I'll actually show you how this device can be extensively applied in a wide range of options and utilities, including how I actually use this on my freelancing career.